This is where you and I part ways. Noisy bitch.
Oh my God, how did you get back here?
Phoebe Buffet?
Fire alarm? Oh, can I help you?
We found your fire alarm in the trash chute.
That's not mine.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
The next time you want to dump a fire alarm in the trash chute, don't wrap it in a blanket that says property of Phoebe Buffet, not Monica. Please reattach this. It's against the law to disconnect them.
Fine, but please, God, tell me how to stop it from going off.
Just press the reset button under the plastic cup.
There's a reset button? Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, why didn't I see that? Where's there a reset button? Oh, here it is. Oh!